How to use Warp tool in Cricut DesignSpace. Step 1. The Warp feature is available in Cricut DesignSpace version 7.29 and later. Step 2. If your version does not say 7.29 and later, click on the menu and select Settings. Step 3. In the General tab, make sure that Application Experience is set to Beta and click Done. Step 4. Now click on Text tool in the Design panel and type out a word. Step 5. Click on the Font drop-down menu and select a font. Step 6. Go to the top of the screen, click on Warp and you'll be presented with a list of options to choose from. Step 7. There are 24 different types of warp styles to choose from. You can click on all the options and watch your text warp. Step 8. Select one option to create a fun project. Step 9. Click on the Text tool again and type another word. Step 10. Select a wrap style for the second text and combine it with the first text to create a design. Step 11. There are many fun designs, so feel free to experiment and play. Step 12. However, Warp is only for single-layer text and does not work for images, shapes, groups, or multi-layer. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.